Those bystanders who were not weak in strength almost couldn't help jumping up. In their observation, Jiang Kai's punch directly shattered Tang Fu Shui's entire head, blasting his head. They could even clearly see the whole process of Tang Fu Shui's head being shattered. That kind of scene seemed to have been slowed down countless times, rooted in their hearts. Everyone was silent, and their look on Yang Kai changed. Some Void Return stage powerhouse who underestimate Yang Kai was already in fear at this moment. What kind of cultivation strength Tang Fu Shui was, they couldn't be more clear. Among the Void Return stage powerhouses present, Tang Fu Shui could definitely rank among the top 3. But such a strong man was blown out by Yang Kai with a single punch, and he couldn't resist until his death. During the whole process, Yang Kai showed no signs of using Saint Yuan at all. It seemed that he was only relying on his body and a fist. The strength of this accomplishment is terrifying. No one would be stupid enough to think that Tang Fu Shui underestimated the enemy that caused such an ending. Tang Fu Shui, as the Floating Mist Palace Sect Master, has the cultivation level of Third Order Void Return stage, has countless battles in his life, and has rich experience. How can he underestimate the enemy? Judging from his posture, he also went all out. But he was still killed by one blow. This means that Yang Kai's strength has far surpassed Tang Fu Shui, so he couldn't even take a single blow. Tang Fu Shui is the Third Order Void Return stage. Could it be that Yang Kai is a Void King realm? At this point, a sound of inhaling cold air sounded, and everyone felt that their lungs were filled with cold air. Kill all the people of Floating Mist Palace for me. Yang Kai shouted angrily, reluctantly. Yang Xiaozhu, Shu Hani and Lin Yulao had been holding their stomachs for a long time, but Yang Kai did not speak. They can only watch the changes. At this moment, when they heard Yang Kai's order, they simultaneously made a long roar. Everyone burst out their own Saint Yuan domain, and rushed towards a dozen of them. The dozen or so people arrived with Tang Fu Shui, all wearing the Floating Mist Palace uniform, which were easy to identify. Yang Kai is obviously going to kill every last one of them. Like a tiger going down the mountain, like a wolf into the flock. Yang Xiaozhu and the others rushed into the camp of the Floating Mist Palace. Amidst the crying for mercy and resistance, within 10 breaths of effort, the Floating Mist Palace Void Return stage was suppressed without any resistance. Strictly speaking, the power of Floating Mist Palace is not too weak, except the dead Tang Fu Shui Third Order Void Return stage. There is also another Third Order Void Return stage, and the remaining 3 are Second Order Realm, and 7 or 8 is First Order Realm. But they were horrified by Yang Kai's terrifying method before, and Yang Xiaozhu and the others were all powerhouse who have survived the blood prison experience. How could they resist the onslaught of the 3 of them? After 10 breaths, there was a dead body on the square. The smell of blood rose to the sky. Yang Xiaozhu and the others didn't say a word, and returned to Yang Kai's back, standing there quietly. The audience was quiet. Everyone could hear the violent heartbeat from their chests. They looked at Yang Kai, Jiang Xiaozhu and others in their eyes. It was like looking at a group of evil spirits, full of shock and horror. "You, how dare you be cruel?" Fang Yan's body trembled. Pointing to Yang Kai, she said in an incredibly unbelievable tone, "These are the last high-end combat power of my shadowed star human race. You kill them, who will fight against the Corpse Spirit Sect army in the future? You are trying to destroy my shadowed star human race?" Listening to her naive words, Yang Kai sneered, "Really? Since their combat power is so high-end, why didn't they go out to fight? Instead, they wanted to hide in my High Heaven sect." Fang Yan was speechless for a while, and when she wanted to say something, Lady Feng suddenly glared at her. Fang Yan just came back to her senses. Just now, she didn't know which nerve in her head had the wrong thread. She blamed Yang Kai for doing what he did. A layer of cold sweat was out of her body, and her clothes were all wet. "My patience is limited," Yang Kai reiterated. The faces of the people changed. They all looked at Yang Kai in fear, but no one spoke. They relied on a large number of people just now and didn't take Yang Kai too seriously. They felt that no matter how annoyed Yang Kai was, he couldn't turn their faces on the spot. Why would they have to sit down and have a good talk with him? But after they saw Yang Kai's brutal methods and terrifying combat power, they knew that they were wrong. This young High Heaven Sect master didn't need to talk to them at all. He could slaughter everyone present alone. In the face of absolute force, all plans and scheming are pointless. After a long time, Lady Feng sighed heavily, and said, "There are talents coming from the rivers and mountains. We recognize it, Sect Master Yang. You can make a way out." Yang Kai snorted, "I just want to know, what is going on with my High Heaven Sect?" Lady Feng turned her head and looked around. All those who were looking at her turned aside. She obviously didn't dare to be someone who talked to Yang Kai. Lady Feng looked sad and said desolately, "Sect Master Yang, this is the case. It's a long story, but we are also forced to do nothing. It looks like you still want to challenge my patience." Yang Kai smiled wickedly, and the Saint Yuan showed signs of starting to move. Lady Feng's face changed drastically, and she hurriedly backed away, putting on a posture to meet the enemy. "I'll tell you what happened to High Heaven Sect." At this moment, a very angry voice came from not far away. Yang Kai was familiar with it. He turned his head and saw that an old man with a black face was walking from there. By the side of the old man, a middle-aged man who was about 40 years old followed suit and came to the square. At first sight, the middle-aged man cried out in surprise. "Master Yan Pei from Treasure Assembly Pavilion." Yang Kai has also dealt with this auctioneer, who is known as the Old Black Face. He knows that he has a good relationship with Qian Tong, so although he is still annoyed, he also suppressed it, nodded and said, "It turns out to be old Mr. Yan. Sect Master Yang is polite. Yan is here to tell you what is going on here." Yan Pei clasped his fists, but he was refreshed, and when he was about to talk about everything he knew, Yang Kai listened solemnly. 2 years ago, the corpse spirit religion was born, and the power was like a snowball, growing bigger and bigger. Many sects and families have been driven to extinction, and even rooted out, and those famous sects are the opponents that the corpse spirit religion focuses on. In the face of powerful force, a number of people, basically no power on the Shadowed Star, can resist. Shadow Moon Palace, Floating Mist Palace, Colored Glass Sect, Clean Sky Sect, 10,000 Beast Mountain, Medicine Pill Sect, have been destroyed one after another, with countless casualties. Because of the special geographical location of High Heaven Sect, the corpse spirit religion has no way to deal with it. When Yang Kai was away, Yi Xian was in charge of High Heaven Sect, but she did not sit back and watch the affairs on the Shadowed Star. Out of morality, she frequently sent sect experts to rescue those sects. Yi Xian made the shot personally. It's just that although High Heaven Sect is not weak in the face of such a behemoth as corpse spirit religion, that kind of support is still a drop in the bucket, which not only greatly damages its own strength but also fails to save the situation. Finally, as a last resort, she opened the High Heaven Sect gate and accepted the cultivators who fled. The thousands of people Yang Kai sensed came to High Heaven Sect for this reason. After entering the High Heaven Sect, these people felt like they had suddenly arrived from hell to heaven. The contrast made almost everyone ecstatic. Outside, they have to worry about the pursuit of the corpse spirit religion at all times, and they can't even heal their wounds. They are always on guard, but inside the High Heaven Sect, there are 3 flames and fire rings guarding them. They don't have to worry about these at all. They can live comfortably and securely. Here, even if the sky is broken outside, it will not affect this place at all. What's more, the world's spiritual energy in the High Heaven Sect is also the strongest in the entire Shadowed Star. Even the Star Emperor Mountain is not as good as the weakest peak of the High Heaven Sect. They really like it here. No one knew the internal situation of Flowing Flame Sandfield before, but after Yi Xian accepted them for refuge, they discovered that this place is simply a treasure of fat and oil. Who doesn't covet such a treasure? Every cultivators of the sect was envious of High Heaven Sect. It's just that they are not stupid enough to turn their faces against High Heaven Sect when they are accepted in. It was just that when Yi Xian wanted them to follow her and rescue the forces next to her, the situation changed. They finally came here, regained a life. How could they still be willing to go out again and live the life of fear? So there is no sect to cooperate. Instead, they worried that their attitude and behavior would anger Yi Xian, lest they be kicked out. As a result, under a conspiracy, they was the first to act first, and a riot occur within the High Heaven sect. Since the High Heaven sect has taken in the powerhouses of Star Emperor Mountain, its strength is definitely not weak, but in the past 2 years, many masters have been killed in battle. Almost everyone who came back alive was injured, and their strength was greatly reduced. How could it beat the battle strength of the major sect on the Shadowed Star? Yi Xian could only take High Heaven sect's people, and retreated from the battle, retreating into the deepest part of Flowing Flame Sandfield. This happened 2 months ago. Yi Xian and others retreated. These people naturally took over the Magpie's Nest and occupied the headquarters of High Heaven sect. Although they were also very worried that Yi Xian would counterattack after she recovered from her injuries, they were more afraid of the corpse spirit religion who gathered outside Flowing Flame Sandfield. Staying here, they can at least survive, but if they leave High Heaven sect, there is only one dead end. So even though they were uneasy, they still occupied a good area and stayed in the headquarters of High Heaven sect. It's like this. After Yan Pei's old black face had finished speaking, he stopped speaking. On the contrary, his disciple, Ren Tianrui, known as the Little Black Face, opened his mouth and defended. Our Treasure Assembly Pavilion did not participate in this matter, and some other forces also did not participate. Yang Kai glanced at him and sneered, even if you didn't participate, you didn't stop it, did you? Ren Tianrui's face turned pale, and he said, we have reported it to Elder Yi. Do you want this sect master to be thankful to you for that? Yang Kai looked at him indifferently. To be continued.